We often hear about proteins as the building blocks of life, but there is a smaller, more precise messenger working behind the scenes that is currently changing the face of modern medicine. They are called peptides, short chains of 40 or fewer amino acids that act as biological keys. Unlike traditional drugs that can have broad, unintended effects, peptides mimic natural ligands to signal your cells to heal, protect, or regenerate with surgical precision. This isn't just science fiction. It is a scientific story that began with Nobel-winning synthesis and is now in your skincare bottles and life-saving medications. The secret to a peptide's power is its specificity, because they are designed to mimic exactly what our bodies already produce. They can target specific receptors on an enzyme or cell to trigger a biological process. In the past, synthesizing these was a tedious, decade-long struggle, but innovations like solid-phase synthesis allowed scientists to assemble these chains rapidly, opening the door to the 60-plus FDA-approved peptide drugs we have today. One of the most immediate ways peptides can change your life is through your skin health. Our skin begins losing roughly 1% of its collagen every year after the age of 25. Peptides act as messengers, signaling skin cells to boost collagen production and repair the skin's barrier. By incorporating them into your routine, you aren't just covering up wrinkles. You are communicating with your cells to sustain a healthy, vibrant complexion from the inside out. Perhaps the most famous life-changing peptide today is GLP-1. This hormone, naturally produced in your gut, has been biochemically modified into powerful medications like liraglutide and semaglutide by mimicking the body's natural insulin-stimulating and appetite-suppressing signals. These peptides are helping millions manage type 2 diabetes and obesity. They don't just change your weight, they can protect your heart and even offer neuroprotective benefits for your brain. Beyond lifestyle, peptides are emerging as our greatest saviors against antibiotic resistance. Traditional antibiotics often have a single target, allowing bacteria to adapt and survive. Antimicrobial peptides, AMPs, however, often attack multiple targets at once, like the bacteria's plasma membrane, making it nearly impossible for pathogens to develop resistance. This makes them the next generation of defense against the superbugs that threaten global health. The story of peptides is still being written. Researchers are now finding that peptides can cross the blood-brain barrier to potentially treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease by protecting neurons from damage. Because they break down into simple amino acids, essentially food. For the body, they are potentially much safer than small molecule drugs. From healing wounds to fighting cancer and balancing our metabolism, peptides are more than just a medical trend. They are a fundamental shift in how we treat the human body, whether it is through a skin serum or a metabolic treatment. These tiny chains of amino acids are proving that the smallest messengers can have the biggest impact on a better life. Have you experienced the benefits of peptides? Share your story in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of wellness.